Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a kitchen utensil tablescape. In this challenge, I'm going to add a little bit extra twist to it, and I'm going to make it a Mackenzie Child inspired kitchen utensil tablescape challenge. This is hosted by Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and it's co-hosted by Cynthia from Cynthia She's So Blessed, Lynn by Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, and Geraldine from Diva Decorating. And I'm going to list all these ladies' channels down below in the description box along with the playlist, so make sure you check all them out and the whole playlist because this is going to be a fun one. Now, I had so much fun. We had to use kitchen utensils and things that we would cook with or unconventional things on our tablescape. So you can see that is what I did here. I had so much fun with this. Hats off to Tammy for coming up with this one because this was just a lot of fun making this tablescape. Now, let me show you what I did for mine. For my place settings, I went with the red, the white, the black, the galvanized tin, and then the natural wicker look to my place settings and to my whole tablescape here. And another thing that I did on mine is I added in that Mackenzie Child whimsical feel to it, which is why you'll notice that I have a lot of the reds, the black with the white polka dots or the black and white stripe and the black and white check. Now these kitchen utensil holders right here, I actually made those, and I'll go ahead and link a link up above exactly how to make those. Those were a trash to treasure video that I did a few weeks back, and so I'll go ahead and put that up above. Now here you can see I even threw my toaster on the table. I put my tea kettle up on top of it just to give it that whimsy feeling. And I grabbed down my huge rooster that my husband had purchased for me, and I put him on the table, which just adds to that really fun, whimsical feel from your Mackenzie Childs. And if you know about them, they love using roosters in a lot of their things as well. Now this wicker placemat here, along with this black silverware, these are items that my daughters got me for Mother's Day. And they got me so many different little things for Mother's Day. I so appreciate my kids. They're just wonderful. Here I have this little cup with a little hard-boiled egg in it, and I got this little cup from Dollar Tree. And then my glasses that I showed you, both of those right there are from Dollar Tree as well. I have the black glass along with the clear glass for some juice and some water. Then on top of this wicker placemat, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to layer on top this galvanized tin charger that I picked up from Dollar General. And this was only $2.50, and I got this just a couple weeks ago. It was such a great deal. I was really happy with the price on that. Then on top of that charger, I'm going to go ahead and add this red plate that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And then on top of that red plate, also from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to add this white salad plate or bread plate. And I'm loving the way that looks. Now just to top it off, since I'm kind of doing a breakfast theme here, I'm going to add this black bowl, also from Dollar Tree, right on top. And again, I'm letting the Mackenzie Child kind of dictate my colors for this tablescape, as their courtly check is generally their black and white, and then they add in touches of the red or the green into it. And so that's what I did here. I added in touches of the red and the green. I have the black and white check, and then just that really fun oversized rooster back behind. Now I also added in a few flowers right behind my glasses here. And that really just adds that spring and summery feel to it. And I'm just loving how it adds a little bit more to the whimsical feel of everything. Like I said, I think this is one of my favorite tablescapes I've done because it was just so much fun to do. And I absolutely love the color red. I use red year round. I just think it adds so much pop of color and life to your home. And so for me, that is a color I use all year round. I love the color red. And here's what it looks like from this side over here. You can see I also added a little plate down here, a little clear plate, along with some little tongs that I purchased from the Dollar Tree as well. They fit in just perfect, having that red rubberized tip to the end of them. And then most of my utensils here are just utensils that I've picked up at the Dollar Tree over the years. These are the utensils that I just use every day in my everyday cooking. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you got as much enjoyment out of it as what I did putting it together. I want to thank Tammy and all the ladies for hosting this wonderful challenge every other week. Every other Sunday they host this, and it's such a joy to join in and participate. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.